Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can increase the font size on your Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu on your PC and go to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click on the System option from the left side and then select Display. Here, you'll find an option called Scale. This setting allows you to increase the size of text, apps, and other items across your entire screen. Click on the drop-down next to it and choose a higher percentage to zoom everything in and make it easier to see. Now, if your goal is only to increase the text size without affecting other elements, there's another method. Go back to the left side and click on Accessibility, then select Text Size. You'll see a slider that lets you adjust how big you want the text to appear. Simply drag the slider to increase the font size according to your preference. Once you're happy with the size, click on the Apply button to confirm the changes. After applying, you'll immediately notice that the text across your system becomes larger and more readable. That's how you can easily increase the font size on your Windows 11 computer using two different methods depending on your needs. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.